video was created by bestvpn.com, where you can find high quality and detailed reviews of around 60 different VPN services. Hello everyone, and welcome to this review video for CyberGhost VPN service. With CyberGhost, you can surf the internet anonymously with a hidden IP address and keep your data safe from hackers, third parties, and other organizations. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign up for their service, install their software, and finally, I'll be testing it to make sure our connection is truly anonymous. The first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to www.cyberghostvpn.com. I really like their website. There's just enough information on the front page here, and it doesn't feel like too technical or overwhelming. And down the page a bit here, it lists some of the features of CyberGhost's VPN service. You can use it to not only hide your IP address and surf the web anonymously, but you can also use it to unblock websites, bypass filters, firewalls, and access completely blocked websites like Facebook, Twitter, Skype, and YouTube from places like your school or maybe your university or even your workplace. And CyberGhost claims to be good for those of you who travel by allowing you to unblock sites like NBC or Netflix, Hulu, or even CBS, so you can watch your favorite shows while you're traveling to different countries. And to top it all off, it allows you to use torrent programs more safely and even allows you to protect a public Wi-Fi hotspot so that nobody on the network can see your activity. In case you didn't know, most public Wi-Fi spots are usually quite insecure, so this is a really great feature to have on your VPN service. Now let's take a look at their pricing page to see what kind of plans they provide. I'm going to click on the buy link right up here. One of the coolest things about CyberGhost is that they're offering a limited service for free. You can easily test them out before you choose a premium option, and for their free service you enjoy the same 256-bit encryption as all the other services, and it supports an open VPN protocol. You have 22 different servers that you can utilize from 14 different countries around the world. And for the free service you're able to connect only one device, and it gets disconnected every 3 hours. That seems fair enough. As you move on to the premium plan for $6.99 a month, you get more features such as the ability to utilize 220 different servers compared to only 22 with the free service, and you can connect through 23 different countries rather than only 14. And you get to pick which connection protocol you want to use, whether it's OpenVPN, L2TP/IPsec, or PPTP. And the premium plan only offers you one device that you can connect with. If you take it a step higher and choose the Premium Plus plan, you basically have all the same features as the premium service, except that you can connect with up to 5 different devices with your service at unlimited bandwidth for a cost of only $10.99 per month. At this time, they're offering huge discounts on their 12-month prepaid subscriptions, and you can even get a whole year of their premium service for just $20 right now, compared to the normal price of $69.99 for the year. They've even shaved off the cost of their 12-month prepaid Premium Plus service from the original $109 to just $69 for the year. And if you're looking for the best deal that they offer, you can get 24 months of their premium service for only $69.99. compared to the original $139, or you can get 24 months of their Premium Plus service and connect all 5 of your devices for only $109. That's a savings of over 50%, since the original cost for their Premium Plus service for 24 months is originally $291. For CyberGhost having such flexible plans and offering a free test drive of their service, they win points here for sure. For the purpose of this review video, I'm going to go ahead and choose the premium plan and make an account. And here on this screen, you get to pick whether you want a 1-month prepaid service, 12 months, or 24 months. And I'm going to go ahead and pick the 1 month, and you'll see it refresh to $6.99. And if you want to change the currency or the language, you can go up here. I've got it on US dollars, $6.99 a month. Now you just simply fill out the form. And once you're done filling out the form, you can go on the right, and you'll see that you can pay with your Visa, your MasterCard, Amex card, and more. They got PayPal. I'm going to go ahead and choose PayPal. That's the easiest for me, and hit next. And on this page, just make sure everything's right, the order price is correct, and you just have to confirm that you're signing up for a subscription product that will be billed in regular intervals. So this one will keep on going as a monthly subscription for $6.99. I'm going to hit buy now. Okay, so now it gives you this page, and it says please submit your payment now, and you can click the Pay Now by PayPal button. And once you put in your PayPal information, just go ahead and log in, make sure the price is still correct. And that looks good. Pay Now. And then it takes you back to this page, and it gives you your activation key. So what you're going to want to do is probably just right-click on it after you highlight it and hit copy. We'll save that for later, I'm sure. And it tells us here to use the following link to download CyberGhost VPN installer, and after installing the product you have to create an account and activate the serial code received to benefit from the subscription you've bought. And then it gives you their support email if you have any other questions. So let's just click on download. And once the download is finished, if you're using Google Chrome, you can click on it here, or you can just double click on it wherever it downloaded. Once it starts up, it'll look something like this. Just click on yes or I agree to anything that pops up. And we got a window here that's asking us to install some drivers, so I'm going to go ahead and hit install, and I'm also going to choose always trust this device. So now once it started up, it basically gave us a little dialogue telling us that we need to update CyberGhost. So let's click on yes to update it, and I'm going to click on update. And if you get a dialogue, just click on yes. And it looks like it's going to start now. And here it is, it finally loaded. So the first thing that CyberGhost is showing us is our real location here in the USA. And let's see what we can do. We've got upgrade, activate key, and login. We have a settings button. Let's click the settings button. So we can start the program when Windows starts up. You can tell it to establish a connection right after it starts up. Some privacy settings, change browser language. Let's see, my account. Here's just another way to log in. It's telling us that we're on the free plan unless you actually put in your account information. So let's cancel out of this and choose activate key. Alright, we're glad to have you here. Put your activation key right here. Now we can go back to the previous screen where I've already highlighted it, and you can copy it and then go back to CyberGhost, right click on in this field. Well, you can't right click, so just hit Control on your keyboard and V to paste it. Otherwise you can type the whole thing manually. And once you've got it pasted in there, just click on activate. And then it brings you to this screen. It's asking if we've already got an account. If you don't have an account yet, hit next. We haven't officially made an account, no, so I'll hit next. And here it is, your new CyberGhost account. So it's given us a crazy long username and a very awkward password, but we can go ahead and copy these somewhere safe, or we can go ahead and print them. And here you can acknowledge that you need to store this information in a safe place. And you can go ahead and hit next after you either printed the page or saved these somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Upgrade successful, your plan premium has been activated, and that's the one we chose. So we're good to go here. Now let's test the service. Here we are back at the program. We're logged in as that account name that it gave us a second ago. Let's see, simulated country and simulated IP address. This looks interesting. Let's try the drop down for simulated country. So we can choose what country we're coming through. Let's try France. And it even tells you how many premium servers there are and how many users are on that one. Let's go ahead and hit OK. And simulate IP address. Let's see what this gives us. Okay, so we can actually choose the IP address that we want. Let's just choose one. Let's try that and hit OK. And once everything is set, I guess we can hit the power button right here. Connecting. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. And now it's telling us that we are connected to that server here in France. Alright, now how do we really know if we appear to be coming through France? I'm going to go ahead and put this service to the test. Let's go ahead and open a new tab. I'm going to go to iplocation.net. And here at iplocation.net, there's our IP address that we simulated. Sure is. And it thinks we're coming through France. Let's just query it and see what it gives us. It is totally masking our location. That is a great sign. Let's go on and do another test that I like to do. Let's go to www.dnsleaktest.com. I'll go ahead and explain what a DNS leak is. When you go to a website like www.whatever.com, your computer sends that off to a DNS server to be translated into something more like an IP address. And ideally, you'd want this process masked as well, as it could potentially reveal your location somehow. And DNS leak test helps us determine if the VPN service naturally masks your DNS resolution process or not. And keep in mind, if a DNS leak is showing, it doesn't mean we're not anonymous. It's just nice to know that even your DNS resolutions are masked as well. The more important thing is whether or not you're showing your real IP address. And the internet has no idea that I'm really in the USA, so it doesn't hurt to do this kind of test. The more hidden you are, the more protected you are. I'm going to go ahead and do a standard test now. And look at that, our DNS resolution is showing that we're trying to connect through Germany for our DNS resolution. That's good, that's definitely not the USA. I'll back up and I'll do an extended test. And again, all the different queries that it's done still show that we're not from the USA. Now I'm going to go back to the CyberGhost website, and I want to look at the My Account panel. So let's go to My Account, and right here we can go ahead and put in our username that we were assigned a while ago. And hit Login. And once you're into the account panel, you've got different settings here on the left. You can look at your devices, and you can see that you have a max of 1 device you can connect with your premium plan. Your subscription will show you the start and the end date of your subscription. And in your account settings, you can change your crazy long username and make a different password if you want. And then you can click on the smartphones, tablets, and other devices tab, and you can set up your iPhone or your Android or any other device through this section of the control panel. If you have any questions, you can contact them by clicking the link right there. It's going to bring you to a page where you can put in a support ticket. And that about wraps it up. Overall, the CyberGhost service does the job that a good VPN service should do. It's fully masking our IP address and location, as well as our DNS resolution. The only funny thing I noticed is how it made me update the software after a fresh install, but it only lasted a minute or so. The flexible pricing structure and free test drive of their service is what really makes CyberGhost shine. Passing all the tests with flying colors, CyberGhost's VPN service gets an A+ from me. I want to thank everyone for watching this video, and have a great evening. For more great review videos, head on over to bestvpn.com, where you can find high quality and very detailed reviews of around 60 different VPN services.